Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if the none option is not showing in Apple ID. So if you're trying to select the none option and you want to remove the payment method, or you want to use your Apple ID without the payment method, and if you want to select the none option and it's not showing in your Apple ID, then watch this video. I'm going to show you how you can fix this and how you can get the none option back in your Apple ID. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To fix this, simply go to your App Store. Simply click on this your Apple ID and click on your Apple ID username, and then just wait. Enter the passcode of your iPhone if it's asked. And then just wait. So instead of going to manage payment, simply click on country and region. Then simply click on change country or region. Now scroll down and find your country and tap on it. Once you select your country, you have to click on agree, and then here you go. As you can see, now the none button is here. Now you can select it. So you have to simply go to change country and region. You have to change the region. You can select the same region, but it's the process. If you follow this step, you will get this none option. So hope this video helps. If you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.